build the electronic circuit and uh, PCB designing. So let's start. So let's start with the what is PCB in short. So the a printed circuit board or PCB is used to mechanically support and electrically connect electronic components using conductive pathways, tracks or signal traces, each from copper sheets and laminated onto a non-conductive substrate. We will see the PCB in next slide. So these are the PCB. You can see here the components are mounted. Mm, the components are connected electrically. You can see the tracks here. The different components are connected through the tracks. So here you can see the two types of components, like this is the through hole component and this is the SMD components. For through hole components, we need to make an hole for placing that components. Here you can see. And for SMD components, that SMD means the surface mount device. As you can see here, the components are mounted on surface directly, and this technology is called as a surface mount technology, that is SMT. So next is types of PCBs. There are two types of PCBs, single layer PCB and multi-layer PCB. The single layer PCB is also known as a sided PCB, which is a type of PCB in which it comes with only one layer of conductive material, one side of the board. So as you can see in the image, the only one layer is present here, that is copper layer, and the green part is the substrate, that is the non-conductive layer, and it is also known as the insulating layer. Next is multi-layer. The multi-layer PCB is a circuit board that has more than two layers. As you can see in the image, there are multiple layers, first layer, second layer, up to the sixth layer. Uh, in between two conductive layer, the here green part is shown, that is the non-conductive layer. To protect the short circuits, the non-conductive layer is added here between the two conductive layer. So the top layer and bottom layer are called as the outer layers, and in between that these are called as the inner layers. So layers in PCB. So as we see in previous slide, the multiple layers are there. For connecting two components from a different layer, we need to add a vias. We will see it in the actual designing of PCB. This is the through hole. Whenever we are going to connect any component to the through hole components, we don't need to add any via. So it will see in the PCB designing. So this is the circuit diagram I am going to build on EasyEDA software. So for it is a stable multi-vibrator circuit. We need two resistors, that is R1 and R2, and two capacitors, and IC 555. This is the timer IC. So now let's see the how to build the circuit on EasyEDA. Before that, we need to make an account on EasyEDA. So let's see how to do it. Simply you have to search on Google EasyEDA, and then go through the official link of their website, that is easyeda.com. Click on that, and you need to click on register. The registration procedure is very simple and easy. Here you have need to put your username, email ID, and a strong password to make an account. Otherwise you can go through simply sign in with a Google. So guys, here our account has been created successfully. So here you have to go through user center. and then click on product and select online editor. It will bring us to the new window like this one. Here you can see the new project option. Click on that, and here you need to give the project name, like I'm giving a stable multivibrator. And here you can write the description of your projects. Otherwise you can simply go through save button. So guys, here project is created successfully. So here we can draw our circuit diagram. So before going to the draw the circuit diagram, let me explain the software and its feature. So this is the project folder. Here you can see the uh, list of created projects which are created in past. And next one is the design manager. Here you can see the list of components and the wiring details. The whatever components are used in the circuit diagram, that components list will be shown here. And if there is any error in the circuit, it will any error in the connection, it will shows here. And the next one is easy EDA library. Here you can find the general components like ground, VCC, resistor, capacitors, LED and transistor, like that. You have to just click on that and paste here. And for deselecting the components, you have to click right click. So, and the next one is the main library. Here you can find the remaining components which are not available in the easy EDA library. So let's see, I will search any triple five. Uh, so guys, these are the different manufacturers of IC 555. As per requirement, you can select any one of them. So I will select second one. So here you will see the symbol of that component and footprint and its real image. So guys, I think it's a really cool feature of this software. We can place it by clicking on place, and for deselecting we can click right click. Now I will go through the software menus. uh, the file menus, it's pretty much similar to the other software. Like in file menu you can create new projects and schematic PCB, and you can open the uh, projects which are already done, and you can save as from here. And these are the general settings. So this is the main menu of this whenever we are going to convert to the schematic to PCB. When if you complete our circuit diagram, then we have to just click on design and then click on convert schematic to PCB. So let's see the how to build the circuit. I'm going to build the a stable multi-vibrator circuit. So for that we need one IC 555. We can rotate it by clicking on that and press R from the keyboard. And we need two resistors, R1 and R2, and capacitor. As per circuit diagram, I am building this circuit. For connecting two components, you can choose from wire from wiring tools. Otherwise, you can simply click the terminal of the components. And I will select ground from his radial library. So guys, our circuit is ready now. So now go through the design and convert schematic. Before that, we need to save this file. Otherwise, you can use shortcut of this. Here we need to give the dimensions of PCB. Uh, as per requirement, here I will select mm, and as per requirement we can give the layers. I will select two layers. And here we can select the in which shape we require the PCB, like rectangular, circular, round, rectangular. I will select rectangular and will apply. From right click we can drag it. From here also we can change the dimension of PCB like this. Now we have to just arrange these components like this. It will take some time, but it's very interesting. First of all, we will arrange the components. For connecting this, we need to add a track from this PCB tool. We have to choose track and just connect. Hello guys, please keep patience. It will take a time. So here the track will cross over each other, so this will shows the error. So we need to add a via here. First of all, we need to add these components to bottom layer. Simply click on that, and here components attribute. Here you have to select the layer. Now we can connect it easily. And then here select bottom layer. Now this component is at top layer and this component is at bottom layer. So here we need to add a via. So I will select via from here. First of all, we need to connect this. I will stop here connection and will add via here. And now select bottom layer and connect it. So guys, by using via we can connect for two different components from different layers, as we see. So now this is used to check the distance between two tracks. You can see. So it is 3 mm. Now resize the PCB again. One connection is remaining now. So the all connections are done, and this is pad for mounting the PCB on board. We need the hole, so this is a marking. So now we can check the and we can add the project's name or any text from here by selecting this, and we can rename it. I will write WCLSA. And we can write it top layer also, something like that, and select here top layer and add a text. So guys, we can check the 3D view of this also. First of all, we need to save this file. You can see here 3D view. The four components are top layer, and one component as I mounted at bottom layer, you can see here. So this is the through hole component, that is IC555, and these are the SMD components. So one thing I forwarded to say you that after completing the PCB, we need to check the DRC, that is design rule check. Go to the PCB and check DRC. Your wire is not connected properly, it will show. So we'll go through that and edit. So guys, it's showing the zero errors. So this is all about the PCB designing. So now we have to generate the Gerber file. You can go to the file and generate Gerber file. No need to check the errors. And so this is the Gerber file. We have to download it. Whenever we are going to order the PCB from online, then we need it. Let's see. Here we have to order option. Click on that. It's a just process, sign in with Google, And here we have to add that Gerber file which was done generated previous, and then add this Gerber file. Okay guys, so here we need to select the layers and the PCB color like this. You can see here the PCB color is changing here like this. So these are the general settings. Whenever you are going to order it from online, you have just to go through it. So guys, this is all about the PCB designing. If you have any query, you can unmute yourself and ask. Otherwise, you can put it in chat box. Hello,
Hello, hello.
hello.
I just wanted to ask that as you are connected that resistance in parallel, can we connect them in series?
Yes, you can connect it in series, but as
And
per the requirement.
then its work function will be different now.
What?
But its work function.
Uh, can you put it in chat box? I'm not able to hear you properly.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, yes, Kalyani. Its work function will be different, right? Whenever we are going to connect the two resistance in parallel, the resistance will add. That is the whenever if we add the two 1K and 1K resistor in series, the resistance total resistance will be 2K. I hope you got that point.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Any other?
Hello. Uh,
Hello.
can you please explain that layers in the PCB?
Okay.
Yeah.
I will go through the PPT. As you can see here, the multiple layers are there. uh, just consider the components are connected at the these two components are connected at the top level, top layer, and these components are connected at the middle layer. Whenever we are going to connect them, we need to add a wire as I shown in the PCB designing. So for that, it For that, it will cross the whenever we add the via, it will connect to each other like this. Let me show. uh, if I am connecting to first layer to second layer, then whenever I add this wire here, though it will shown like a hole from here to here, and it will connect like one layer to second layer like this. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Anybody having another questions? If you have any query, we can ask. Otherwise, we will move to the next part. Hello. Okay, I hope you all are understood that. So let's take one quiz now. The in quiz there will be a 10 questions. These are very simple and easy. You have to solve that. I will put the link in chat box. Link is at chat in chat box. So please um, give the quiz. Hello. Any problem in quiz? Hello. What happened? Nobody's are attending the quiz.
I don't know means how to start it. I guess we have entered the lobby, but how to start
Wo- You have to just click on that quiz link.
it? Yeah, I can see players over here. There are 9 of us right now.
1 minute. Hello guys, I am sharing my screen. So let's see. Uh, is this showing like this?
Yes, it is showing like this in the start.
Then start now. I will give the access to you all. Click on start.
What after this?
Okay, I will create a new quiz.
I guess it is working in mobile but is not working in laptop.
Okay.
Uh, Please click on the new link which I have shared in chat box. I think it's working now.
Can you reshare the link, please?
Hello guys. The winners of this quiz are Miss Sahi and Rutuja Shirle. These are the winners of this quiz. So many peoples are given the wrong answer. I don't know. Let's let's we can end
Was
this.
good. This was good.
Hello, we can end this session now. Uh, Sahi, can you put the feedback form in the chat box?
Yes, just a second.
Please fill that feedback form, and you can leave now. Okay, thank you guys.